How do you use AI in marketing? I'll give you an example. Sometimes we think that people might need our services and they're searching in a certain way. We can use AI here to tell you specifically how many people are searching based on your thoughts and tell you what the volume is. And every time I do that based on an assumption, it's generally between 0 and 10. Our analytics can spin it around and give you exactly how your prospect thinks and buys, so that you can articulate better than they can what problems they have. And that way your engagement on content becomes so much better. This is going to help you on your investment and your time spent on content creation. We all know this is an Achilles heel for a company. We can coach your teams. We can come in as an educator. We can come and speak and listen to the problems and the challenges that you're having. AI is here to stay. We can come in and help you set up AI for your marketing. Thank you.